This
get any
conference will
kind
now
of,
be recorded.
when we are going to get a customer or the prospects or customers, so who are going to show the interest, if we are not going to respond it, we are going to lose them. So since we are not it is not possible to us to be always in front of that particular business page, we can hire a person and give the access to that person who can be able to take care of it. So how we can be able to do that means we have to come to the main page, and on the left hand side click on settings. So once you click on settings, you will be able to see an option called page roles. Hope everyone are able to see this option on the left hand side. After advanced messaging, click on page roles. So here you can be able to type that person's name or email address. So here the mandatory thing is you are supposed to keep that person as your friend. So that person should be in your friends list, in your connections list. Okay. So once you are going to have that person in your friends list, then you can be able to see that person's name or email address. You can be able to identify it, and you can be able to add that person. Okay. Once you are going to add it, and you are supposed to give the access. So what kind of access you are going to give it? Is it complete access or is it any restricted access you are going to give it to the user? So if you are going to click on this option, you will be able to get a list of options where you can be able to select any one of it which you want to which you are ready to give the access of your business page. So access in the sense like they can be able to use their mail id and the password, and they can log into their Facebook personal profile, but your business page also will be listed in their list of business pages, so they can get entered to it. Now, what are the types of access you can be able to give it? So first option is admin. So that means you are going to give a complete admin rights to the user, so that they can be able to create another users. They can be able to create, edit, alter, delete the data in the Facebook page. So whatever the facility you are going to have it as an admin, if you scroll down the page, you can see the person who has logged in this page, that person's name, it is shown as a admin. So whatever this admin person will have the access, all the access will be provided to this person also. Once you add it, the person whom you added, and if that person accepts that invitations, so automatically that person's name and its role, it will be shown below. The next thing is editor. That person can be able to edit the data in the page, but he cannot be able to create any other users like admin. The next is moderator. So the person who can be able to see with the contents, and he can be able to create the post, and he can be able to check it out what are the actions are being taken after the posts. So that is a role of a moderator. The next is advertiser. That person he can be able to do it only advertising, not any activities else. Then analyst. Analyst will be able to just watch and see what is it happening on the page. So these are the accesses you will be getting it. So you can be able to invite any of your known people, hired person or friend, anyone. You can first make them to be your friends for your business page. Then you are going to get that person's name over here in the list, and then they can be able to add it with the selected option. Okay. So the invitation will be sent to them and they have to accept with that. So this is one kind of option that they can be whenever there is any kind of requirements about your business. So there will be any person who will be giving an information about your businesses. Okay. So there is another way of making the people make them feel that there is a person who is going to be giving information about your business or services. So what does that means? It is integrating with chatbot. So here the chatbot is nothing but an tool which is going to have some predefined informations so that they can be able to get it even though you are not available, even though there is no human being available in front of the business page. The basic information what you are supposed to have it, so that will be provided. So you might have been experienced most of the best example I can give it, most of the banks are going to have the net banking facility. With that they also provide with chat support. Okay. So most of the time there will be a person. Okay. So chat support there will be a person, but certain the banks they will have instant reply messenger. Okay, they will give some certain options over there. So if you select with that, it will give the relevant information over there, so that the person who is showing interest, he will at least have some information about the product or services. Then we can give a call to action button to them so that they can click on that and they can get connected to the business owners directly. Okay, so how to create with this chatbot, we can be able to see it now. So the tool which we are going to refer it, which is called as chatfuel.com. So I'll type it on the chat box. So you can go to this website and you can be able to log in with your Facebook ID. So we will just see. So for this, as of now, the people who does not have a Facebook account also, you can please go to this website as of now and you can be able to try to connect it. Is it allowing to the people for the non-Facebook users? Hope you people are there in this website. Type it as me if you people are there in the screen, and please let me know what are the options you have it over there. So whether you are there in the right place or you are been misplaced somewhere else. Please type it as me if you people are trying it. Otherwise, you can let me know that you will try it later so that I can go ahead with that, with the process. Okay. So in case if you find it any difficulty, any new screen, you are not able to understand, please let me know that so that I can be able to help you out to come out of that problem or that. Okay, so that you can be able to easily link between your Facebook account with your, yeah. So please go to the website called chatfuel.com. Arita, do you have a Facebook account? No. So when you are going to the chatfuel.com, whether are you getting the option as get started with Facebook free, and below that no registrations are required, is that option is highlighted? Okay, okay. So might be the option has been disabled as of now. Okay, so sorry for the inconvenience. Yeah, yeah. Prerna, that is the screen you are supposed to get it. You are there in the right screen. Okay. So do one thing, if anyone is there in any of the screen. So if you are not been there in this screen, okay. So you can just click on this on the top left hand side. There is a chat fuel logo is there, which is there with the blue in color, which is in the C shape. So you can click on this. You will be there in the screen, and the very first option as Prerna is getting, so that it will be my first bot option. Okay. So which will be a default bot. Okay. I'll just get it into the original screen. Okay. So here, as I'm getting as a blank bot, for you people, it is showing as a my first bot. Okay. So here it is going to be the same options, the same screens, only the name it has been changed. So in case if you want to create a predefined information on your own, you want to create the information on your own without using any templates, then you can directly run it over here. Okay. So in case if not, let's try with some of the predefined templates. Means in that case, you can go to this choose from templates option, which is there on the top. You can click on this choose from templates. And from here also you can be able to create a blank bot, or you can be able to use any one of this template. Okay, so these are all the templates which are being created, which is being used by some of the business people, and which is the recommended options. Okay, so for example, if I'm going to take it as an hotel. So I'll just check it out with the preview. Please have a look on the screen. Do not implement it directly. So how did we come to this screen? I'll repeat it once again. If you people have missed it, I'll just come to the main screen once again. So where it is written for you people as my first bot. Okay. So if you want, I will rename this also. I can rename this. Let me be the same how you people are there. Okay. So this is going to be your first screen. Then you're going to click on choose from templates. So here we are going to find it with multiple predefined templates where some of the line items are already created, and if you want to refer it, you can be able to refer it, or you can change also, you can edit the contents. Okay, so now let me take the example. For example, let me go to the coffee house. So let me assume it that my business is a coffee house related, a coffee shop. Okay, so usually what will happen? So if you don't get a option over here for preview, don't worry, you can use a template. Click on use template option. So everyone, click on coffee house and click on use template and make sure that it is showing in this list. Is that you are getting a coffee house option over there? Please type it as yes. Good. So once you are going to get this, you just click on this name, coffee house, and the next screen will be in this way, the home page of that bot. Now, on the left hand side, you have some tabs. So out of these tabs, you click on the automate option. So you click on the automate option. Here you can be able to see the content what it is already created. For this bot, what all the contents are already predefined. You can just go and you can rename all these things. Okay, how does this works? How it look like when you are going to connect it to your business page? To check that, you can click on this test this bot. So once I am going to click on that, so I'll just connect it to the page and click on test this bot. Please have a look on the screen. So I'll click on Facebook Messenger allowing option. It will take a minute of time to get connected with. So we'll click on open in Messenger. Okay, so I'll click on get started. See, the first message, it is going to welcome me with a message with my name. Okay, so whoever the user is going to come to this web page, or sorry, with the Facebook page, so they will be able to get a message like this with their name. So personalized welcome message you will be able to create it. Okay, so here since we are using it as a testing, so we are able to see our name. So in case if uh, here if I take example, Prerna or Neha is going to visit my page, so for them it is going to welcome it with their names. Hi, hey Prerna, welcome to the coffee house. Hey Neha, welcome to the coffee house. If they have created a Facebook business page or the personal profile page, even though if they doesn't have a business page, that doesn't mean it is mandatory to get connected means you should have a business page. No, it is only the personal profile is more than enough. So once they are going to log in with their personal profile to the Facebook, then only they are going to log into my business page. So once they are going to log into my business page, as soon as they open my business page, this is the message what they are going to get it. Okay, so now we can be able to click on this option. These are the basic ideas. So you will have, it's all self-explanatory. So they can be able to select any of the related options. So I will select with this. So as soon as I click the button, it will take with the certain options, and then it will connect with some information, and finally you can be able to get connected to them to your website or for any other lead generation forms. Hope you people were able to understand with the concept. So it's not mandatory we have to give it like this only. We can be able to give it in our own ways because all the businesses are not being in the same way. So you can implement your ideas of how to welcome the people. So how to interact with them. What are the basic information you are supposed to give for your business? So all those things you can be able to create it on your own. Okay. So now what I'll do it is I'll come back to the StatFuel website. Now, instead of using this options, so if your business is something else, you can't use this. It will not make any correct way of communicating about your business. So what you can do it is you can just come back to your main page by clicking on your StatFuel logo. There you can create a my first bot. Okay, so you can rename this with your business name. So I'll rename this. There is a three dot buttons are there on the right hand side screen. So click on that, then click on rename option. So once you click on rename, it will allow you to edit the name of the bot. Okay, so let me take it for example. I'll remove all the content and I'll rename with the name of my business so that I can understand that this bot is being created for this business page. Okay, and you can also click on connect option. Click on connect. It will take you to inside that bot and it will show that list. Okay, see here already this page has been linked to coffee house. So let me disconnect this. Let me disconnect the page which is not relevant to the bot. So either I can go here and disconnect it, or I can be able to go to this main screen and I can be able to disconnect this. So we can be able to disconnect it from this screen itself. Click on disconnect and click on disconnect. So now this bot template is not being connected with my page. So I can connect it to my relevant page. Click on connect. Connect to the page. So now this bot has been connected to the business page. Now you can go to the automate option. And in this, you can be able to see the options. You can change the content over here. So how do you want to reach your visitors? In what messages do you want to welcome them? So that you can be able to edit it over here. Okay, so by default it has been clicked on welcome message. This is the left hand side. It is like the options what you are going to show on the business page when the people are going to connect with you through the chat bot. So this is the main options, and what all the contents has to be added, that it will be shown on the right hand side. This is the edit section. Okay, so the welcome message, so by welcoming them with their name, so will attract the people. So we will not make any change in this first line. So let it be hi and first name, let it be the same. But you can remove this content and you can be able to add anything else. So how you want to welcome your people, the people who are going to visit your house, how do you welcome the people who are going to visit your business place, your shop, how do you welcome? Okay, the same thing you can be able to add it over here. So I'll say welcome to Rana Bajana. So I want the people to be welcome with this message. Okay, so I do not want to add anything more else. So if I do not want anything else, then I can get the cursor on that box and I can click on this three dots so that I can be able to delete this contents. If it is not relevant to my subject, I can be able to remove. Is that clear till here? Prerna, Neha, and others also. Do you want me to repeat it? You can type it as repeat at any moment. So I can be able to repeat it once again. Okay. So now you have been entered with what is the welcome message you want to welcome with. With this, if you want to also add an business logo, okay, usually it will be very good kind of a presentation that if you are going to welcome them with their name and your business branding image also, if it is there, it is going to be a good branding. So how do you add an image with this content? So what you can do it, there is anything extra you want to add it, you can be able to add it through add element option. So under this, you can be able to add with the text. So you can add one more text box. So then you can be able to add a typing option. Then you can be able to add with image option. So a new box has been formed over there by clicking on the image option. So here this box, it will involve with your business logo. Click on this, upload image, then go to your business images. So this is my logo. So you can be able to add the images, text, and if you want to link with any of the third party tools also, you can be able to add it. So by clicking on more option, so here you can be able to see some of the third party applications link also it is provided. You can be able to, if you are a user of any of this tool, you can be able to connect it with. Okay, fine. So if you are not using any of this, then you can just close this and you can make use of only the basic options. Hope you people were able to understand till here. That is how to create with welcome message when the people are going to visit your business page. What is that message do you want to conclude it to them? And with the logo, it will be a good presentation. Okay. Please type it as yes if you are understood with till now. Okay, fine. So now if anyone comes and if they say has I, what will be your response? So this is personally I'm asking the question to you people. If anyone comes and say hi to you, what will be your response? Will you not respond to it? Okay, so I'll put that message on the chat box. Let me see what I'm going to get it. Okay, so I'll say hi Neha. So what will be the response? So this has to be answered by Neha and also any of others on behalf of Neha also. is that no one is going to respond if anyone says as hi. Okay, thank God. So finally, one person has responded. That's very good. Okay, fine. That's very good, Sridhar. So now she got the point what I was expecting. Okay, so as a business people, so if it is a personal, hi, how are you? If it is a business wise, hi, how can I help you? Hello, how may I help you? So this kind of response, at least there will be there. Okay. So now, being a business person, now I've welcomed them as a hi, welcome to the business thing. So the next response will be there from that side. It will be obviously either as a hi or a no. So something will be there. Now, when they respond to us, what will be our next message? We can't say once again as hi, welcome to the business name. So obviously we have to give some kind of a response which is going to talk about our business. So that response is nothing but the default answer. So go to the default answer box. So these are called as a block, BLOCK blocks. Okay. So every block here it has been created will be your answering mission, your answers. Okay. So now what you are going to respond now based on the business information. So here I request you people to write with your business name, history, about yourself. So how, what are the services you are going to provide it? So how you are different from your competitors? So all those information you can be able to add over here. Okay. So what I'll do it is I'll just go to Facebook and I'll try to copy the description of my business. So meanwhile, I can make use of this. Hope you people also have done the same. And you can be able to add it up to 530 characters. Okay, so there is no restrictions within one line or two line like that. So you can add as many things. It is relevant to your subject and you want to convey it to your visitors. Okay, so now after saying all about your business, okay, so I'll just start with this. Okay. So I have just added some of the content over here so that hope the people will be able to understand what all the things I can be able to serve for them. So if they visit us, so what they can be able to get it. So I've just given some information over here. Now, after just reading out this, so whether do you want the people to just read it out and then end of the conversation? No, we should be able to give furthermore options. Okay, so they will be having certain kinds of queries. Okay, so you should be able to know that what are the common queries, which we call it as the FAQs, frequently asked questions. Okay, so what are the common queries will be there related to the particular business. So if you are aware about the strategy of your customers, so you can be able to make out at least 4 to 5 questions. So what are the common questions will be asked by them, and what will be your answer, so that the people will be satisfied over there and they should be ready to give the service, the businesses to you. Okay, so that has to be listed out. So to list out that, so we have to create the blocks over here. So create the block, add block. So click on this so that it is going to create one block. So you can rename this. So for example, what is that you are going to give the services? So I'll say there is an arrangement of dine party. Okay. So what are the things are involved in this? So if I want to give an explanation, I have to click on this text box. So it is going to create this text box and I can be able to write the content on this. So let me add some. Okay, so I'll say that there are certain conditions. Okay, so I'm going to give the information on this particular thing, and if they are interested with this particular option, then I should be able to give them a link to connect it with. So I'll create a button over here. a call to action button so that they can be able to click on that button and they should be able to connect with us. Okay, so I've added a button over here. Okay, in case if you are going to make them to link with your website, so you can be able to provide your website link. So like this, you can be able to give the information to that. Is that clear to everyone? Or do you want me to repeat it once again with a new block so that you can be able to understand how to create with this content? Please type it as clear if you are clear with, or you type it as a repeat so that I can be able to repeat it once again with new content. Good. Okay. So that's very good. So I'll create one more block. So if I have multiple options, it looks good, I felt. So I'll add it one more category. Okay, I'll just rename this. Okay, so okay, I'll just give the other name for this. Okay, So with this, I can also link with my business page or the Google form what we have created before. Even that also I can be able to link over here. Okay, so I'll just connect it with. So I'll go to my drive. Okay, I'll connect it with my existing form. I'll go to the link and copy, and same thing I'm going to connect it over here. So this is how you can be able to add with the links. Either you can use your own forms which you have created with Google Forms, or if you are using any of the third-party applications also, you can be able to link with it. Okay. So now once you are going to add the contents and you have created with the link, so how do they get connected with you? So now this blocks has to be connected to your default answer. Now, for example, if anyone comes to my business page, they are going to see this welcome message. So they will be welcomed with their names, with this message, and with my company logo. Then they will respond to it by stating it as hi. So if they use any word, if they respond to it, so immediately they will be able to receive this default answer. So now from this default answer, how do I get connected with these two options? Means I have to create a link for them from default answer to these two blocks. How do I do it? Means I have to create a button option, go to the button, add button option, then I have to give the name over here. So for example, I'll give it as Dine Party, and here below the options you have three options: blocks, URL, and phone call. Till now we have used with the phone call option and URL. So let me connect it through the block. So what is that block name is? So what I have created the block, so that I will be selecting it. So for the Dine Party, I will select it as Dine Party, and just click anywhere outside the screen, so it will show with that option. Again, I can click on the add button option and I can be able to create it Under the blocks, I can be able to select another block and I can be able to click anywhere outside. So now this answer is being selected with this two blocks. So now the people, when they are seeing the answer from me, response from me, they will be able to see these two options and then they can click on this and then they can be able to come over here. Okay, fine. So let me go with only these two options. Now, how do this look like? How it is going to work on your business page? If you want to check it out, means, so what you can do it once after finishing all this content. So click on this test this bot and click click on this continue as a guest. So let me type it as hi. Okay. So since I am logging into my own page, so I'm going to use it directly with the response. That is the default answer. So this is how the options will come. If I'm going to click on this, so it will give the options over here which are related to this. So if I click on this website, it will take me to that particular website. If the website screen, the URL is given correctly, so it is going to show me that website. Okay. Then if I'm going to click on the other one, so it is going to show with this. So this is how it is going to link between one block to another block and how it is going to get connected to your business page. Is that everyone are clear till here? Is that anyone has tried, so that we can go to their business page now and we can be able to check it out? Prerna, Neha, Adia. So I'll do one thing. I'll just take a break of 10 minutes of time. So and we will come back by 5:23. So meantime, you just finish up with all this linkings and please provide it on the chat box with your business page link so that we can be able to know that whether you people were able to understand with that or not. Okay. So we shall have a break. We can come back at 5:23. Thank you for being online. Hope my voice is audible to everyone. Please type it as yes. Okay, fine. So I requested one or two people can be able to give me a link of your, sorry, you can give your business page name so that I can just check it out whether is that your chat fuel chatbot has been linked to your business page or not. If anyone tried it, or do you need some more time so that you can be able to try it and you can send me by tomorrow? So either you can tell me now, you can type it as now. If it is not now, you can type it as tomorrow. Tomorrow. Okay. So before starting the session, I want you people to at least one or two people who have practicing it, so they can be able to do this and they can share it on the group. Okay, fine. So now, so till now we have seen that how we can be able to create our own content on the chatbot, or you can be able to make use of this predefined options. You can just rename it and you can recreate the content in the predefined templates also. Okay, so this was all about how you can be able to get connected with your audiences. So whenever the people are going to get connected to you, so there will be a response, immediate response from your end. Okay, so the next thing is going back to the Facebook, so which is very much trending as of now. What is that? How do you get connected with the Instagram account? So you all know that Instagram, it is one of the trending media where the people are more and more connected than compared to Facebook. Is there anyone who can type it as me who is not having an Instagram account? Because many of them they said they are not having a Facebook account. So is there anyone who can say that you don't have a Instagram account also? You can type it as me. So meanwhile, you can have a look on the screen. As soon as I came to my business page, it has opened this chat screen by welcoming with my name and its welcome message with the company logo. Okay. So I'll just take a minute of time. I'll just see whether all the information what I've given is it going to show on this page or not. Good. So I've received it and I can be able to select with the options. So I'll be getting it like this. Yeah, it's working fine. The same way, I want you people to get me your business page name. So if you are integrated with your ChatFuel website, so that it is going to show the messages in this way. Okay, fine. So I asked you people, I'll repeat it once again. Is there anyone in this session who is not going to, who is not having a Instagram account? Okay, so I'll wait for a 30 seconds. If it says no one is going to respond, that means everyone has an Instagram account. Okay. Okay. I think everyone has a Instagram account. That's very good. Now, how you can be able to integrate with these two things? So first and foremost thing is what will happen if I'm going to integrate with these two accounts? So whatever the post you are going to run it on the Facebook, it is going to run it on the Instagram account, and whatever the post you are going to upload it on the Instagram account, that it will be run on your Facebook business page account. So this is the main intention. So you can be able to drive your traffic from Instagram account to Facebook and Facebook to Instagram account. And you can be also able to connect it with your website so that you can be able to divert your both account traffic towards your website also, so that it will help you in getting your business page on the top ranking in the search engine ranking. Okay, so this is the intention of it. So now how to get connected with? So first you have to open with your Instagram account. You all know that Facebook, when you are going to open it on the desktop and when you are going to open it on the mobile, so will you get any kind of a difference in the options? Please type it as difference if you find it anything difference. If no, then type it as same. Facebook, when you're logging on the desktop, is it same the options what you are going to get it on the mobile? Is it same or difference? So if it is same, type it as same. If it is different, type it as different. Okay. Since most of them do not have the Facebook account, they might be not having an experience on this. But since you people are accepted that you people have a Instagram account, is there any differences what you are going to log in with your Instagram account on the desktop and the same thing you are logging with your mobile? So which one is better comparatively? Is it on the mobile or is it on the mobile? That's very good. Is there anyone who can say that desktop is better? Good. That's very fine. Yes. So at least have you people have tried it by using the Instagram account on the desktop? Yes, that's very nice. Okay. So the options what it has been available for the Instagram account on the desktop versions are very less. Okay, so it is very much very minimal options they have been provided with, where it is not so flexible, comfortable to the users. Whereas Instagram mainly it was been prepared for the mobile usage, and the features what they have been provided on the mobile platform, it is completely you can be able to use it, and you can put the information instantly and you can get responses at immediately. Whereas when you are going to do it the same thing on the desktop version, you don't have the options to get uploaded with the images or videos or with the live. So it is very less in options, and it is not so much comfortable with the, it's not user friendly. Okay, and with the settings part also, there are very less in desktop version, whereas when you come to the mobile versions, you have a lot of options. Okay, so now when you are going to use the Instagram for you are uploading your images or videos, so where you can be able to run it on the live also, so which are available. The crowd also, it is comparably in the mobile version there are more. So when you have all these features where the more crowd are there, so where there we are supposed to be there as a marketer. So now we have to link it in a account, but whenever you are going to create any of our account on any social media, it is considered as a personal profile. So you cannot connect it with your personal profile with the business page. So for that reason, you are supposed to create a business account on your Instagram. So is there anyone who is running with a business account on the Instagram? Please type it as me. Good. So, Pooja, can I know that for what purpose you have been used with the business account? Are you running any of your own blog or any of your businesses? I want Pooja, Adya, Anusha. Yes, event management. That's very good. Is it of your own or it is being promoted of other business? Oh, that's very good. That's very good. Fine. Indoor plants. That's very nice. Good to see the many of the entrepreneurs on the session. So that's very good. So now, how you are going to change this particular personal profile into business account? So can anyone let me know that? Do you find an option directly as a business account? Okay, on your note, so what are the ideas you have it on creating your professional account? You can let me know. So either it is a correct or wrong, so we can be able to discuss on that. Anyone? That's very nice. That's correct. I think you have checked with an option now on your mobile and you are giving it. That's very good. Okay. So the people who are not aware on this, so even they came to know on this. Okay. So now you can set two different account. Pooja, do you have a two different account or is the one account with professional account? Two different account. That's very nice. Okay, so you can be able to any of the new users or the people who are not much aware on this. So I can just put it. So you can create your personal profile first. Always in any social media accounts, you can create with the personal profile, and the same profile you can be also. Yeah, that's very good. One for personal use and one for business purpose. Very good. That is. So you can be able to create a personal account and you can switch that into professional account and you can make that personal account itself as a professional account, or you can create a new account where you can be able to turn that new account into professional account. So always it is suggested try to create a new account and you can be able to get it the new account as a business account or professional account. Okay, so how do you make the difference between the options? So you'll be able to get the promotions options on your business account, not on your personal account. Okay, so what we are supposed to do it when you are going to when you want to connect it between the Instagram business account to the personal account, Facebook business account means. So you are supposed to go to your professional account on your Instagram account, and if you go to the edit profile, so there you can be able to see an option called pages. In case if you are going to use the same username and password, that is the same email ID account you are using it for the Facebook account, then it will allow you to get the list of pages over there. Pooja, have you linked between your Facebook business page and the Instagram account both? Good. So are you able to see that? That's very good. Are you able to see the pages option in the edit profile? And in that your business name it is showing. That's very good. Now on the Facebook business page settings, when you are going to come to the Instagram option, are you able to see your Instagram account information over here? Okay. So how do we connect with this? So we are going to connect with Instagram account. So directly, if you want to connect it, you can be able to go to the Instagram business account and go to the edit profile, and you can be able to link with this. So we will try it on live. Let's see how we can be able to connect with this. Give me a minute. Yes. Yes. So once you are going to connect it with your Instagram account on the edit profile, so you can refresh your page, you can be able to get connected over here. So what all the details you have been provided on your Instagram account, the same details it is going to get shown over here. If you are not interested with this, you can be able to disconnect this link. So whatever the post you are going to add it on your Instagram account, so that it is going to be posted on your business page. Is that clear to everyone? So please type it as clear if you are clear with this. Is that everyone are clear with this? Is there anyone online? Good. Thank you for the responses. Okay. So the many other times you may get an error while doing postings on your business page. So, like when you are running with the advertisement, especially, so you might be getting an error. So, what kind of error you may get it is? So, after adding all the information of your ads, and then you are going to give your credit card details, and you are going to run with the campaign. So, at that time, you may get an error which is going to say that the credit limit has to be increased with. Okay, so this error comes only when you are going to run it with manual accounting. Okay, so when you are going to do with the manual accounting, that is by adding the money from your UPI or with net banking. So in that scenario, you may get the error in this way. Okay, so when you want to run an advertisement, it is always recommended to use with a automatic payment, that is by giving your card details to the, so that you can have a separate card for the purpose of using it for the advertisement only. So you can be able to give your card details, though it is not going to be any kind of fraud thing can happen, because it is going to be a secured gateway places. So you can be able to give it, and you can be able to run the advertisement. When you are going to be charged, you will be asked within certain messages, and once you accept it, then only it will start to take the money from your account. Okay, so this is a common error what you are going to find it. So in case if you find it such type of problem, like you might have regularly do with the advertisements, and if it is any limitations it has been given to the Facebook advertisement, that if it is going to cross that, how you can be able to increase with your uh, payment limit or the credit limit for the advertisement. So for that, you can be able to go to manage and limit. So just give me a minute. Yes. So let me go to the ads manager screen. So here you can be able to go to the settings option. So open payment settings. So here you will be able to getting an option as account spending limit. So you can click on this set limit option and you can specify that for how much amount you are ready to spend it for your total campaigns, what you are running it right now. Okay. So it can be changed once you are going to reach with that particular limit. So you can keep on adding it. So there is no problem with this. So until and unless you are going to run it and you are going to finish it with that, so that it will be keep on adding the limits. It can be increased based on your activities what you are going to do with. Okay, so this option will be provided only if you are going to run the ads with your automatic payments, and the ads also should be keep on running it. Okay, so once you start with a manual payment and you are running with the advertisement, then you may not get this option. Hope you people were able to understand that how you can be able to increase with your account spending limit. Okay, so I'll repeat it once again. You can go for the ads manager screen and go to the settings, then select with your account name and payment settings option. There you will be getting an option as account spending limit. You can click on that three dot and you will be given with the option called set limit. You can click on set limit option so that you can be able to increase with your limitations. Hope you people were able to understand with this concept. Is that clear? Hope you people were able to understand with the Facebook marketing. How did we create with the business page? How did we create with the post and boosting the post, promoting the page, and how we can be able to create the advertisement on the ads manager screen. And we also saw with how to integrate with the chatbot and how we can be able to connect with your Instagram account. Okay, and also we have seen some of the settings related to the account settings on the Facebook when you want to increase your spending limit while doing the advertisement. Okay, so by this we are going to end up with Facebook marketing. So tomorrow there will be a new topic. So by the time, I request you people once again, just connect, give me the link of your business page which is connected with the chatbot. Okay, so that I can understand that you people have understood the concept and you have been implemented for the same. Okay, so thank you all. Have a wonderful time.